Hold on to your portfolios because the crypto market just took a massive dump. We're going to break down exactly what is going on, but $2 billion worth of assets liquidated from one entity. Absolutely insane. We'll break it all down for you in this video, so be sure to subscribe to the channel to keep up to date with everything and the latest and greatest in cryptocurrency. And with that being said, let's get into the markets. Here we go, down 5.6%, $1.04 trillion. We see Bitcoin there, 25,600, down 3.46%, a huge drop along with Ethereum. We have, however, seen a significant, massive retracement in a lot of altcoins. Now, what is important to reference here, though, 47.7% on BTC does say that people are buying BTC or certainly moving altcoins into BTC. But we take a look at some of the market here. XRP down 6%. Some of the really, really tough ones. Cardano down 23%. Solana 23%. Polygon Matic, which I think is a steal now at 58 cents, down 26.04. And the list does continue. All aligned to that SEC information of which they registered a number of cryptocurrencies as securities. We await to see what happens with the whole Binance and Coinbase situation. But ultimately, what happened? Well, Scimitar Capital, they came out and said, our fund has made the strategic decision to liquidate our crypto holdings and return the capital to our esteemed LPs. We believe this move will provide enhanced stability and opportunities. What is it? It's a crypto proprietary trading firm. So they have taken the decision to sell all of their crypto assets and give the capital back to their holders. Now, taking a look at what they offer, ultimately, they are, like we said, a proprietary trading firm, rumored to be the reason behind the widespread drop. So what we saw is they liquidated $2 billion worth of assets. Absolutely crazy to say. So it says among top cryptocurrencies, Cardano, Solana lost the most in value. But when we take a look at this, in a fresh development, Scimitar Capital, a crypto trading firm, said it made the strategic decision to liquidate our crypto holdings. It says here, meanwhile, a Twitter account named Thicky and Scimitar Capital had liquidated $2 billion worth of altcoins on Friday night, leading to a market-wide sell-off. And we'll see that on the chart. So we see Bitcoin here, literally Friday night, early hours of Saturday for me, a huge dump, massive, gigantic, albeit people buying the dips as you would expect. Things like BNB continue to have a rough ride. We get into Terra Luna Classic actually holding up, I guess, in the widespread chaos at the minute, but just a number of coins. Gala Games down 20%. It is, in my opinion, an opportunity. Remember, it only affects US citizens. What's going on with the SEC? Yes, the whole market is dumping, but at the same time, you and I that are not in the US are still going to be able to trade those the cryptos. But here's the kind of facts. We got a massive $321 million worth of long trade liquidation. So not only did we get a huge sell-off from Scimitar Capital, that then triggered a ton of liquidations in long plays, which wrecked $329 million in the last 24 hours, $343 million worth of long trades liquidated and only $43.28 million worth of short trades. So very, very big news. And equally, the two things combining to drive us all the way back down to 1.04 trillion. Now, if you've been following my channel for a while, you know we were talking about cryptocurrency when it was around, 800 billion, 773 billion. So is this a surprise? No, we have to wait and see what's going to come out with the SEC and ultimately that decision around Coinbase and the securities thing. But time will tell. Time will ultimately tell what's going to go on. When we take a look at right now what's going on, obviously it's worthwhile just keeping an eye in terms of the crypto market. What are people doing? Are people still buying in? Well, we can take a look at some of these liquidation pools as it starts to load in, particularly around Binance and Coinbase, and ultimately understand exactly where we sit. Now, there will be opportunists obviously trying to buy the dips, as I do think, like I said, it does only affect US citizens right now. But what we see is this huge range between the sort of 25.6 and 25.7, a massive amount of Bitcoin, about 300 Bitcoin between those to swing. Not a lot then, all the way potentially back up to 26,000 will be our next protocol. It's about 360 Bitcoin to get up to that point on Binance. And then once again, just not a lot of Bitcoin to be sold or bought all the way up. So we could potentially, if we get a solid move, it does feel like currently the market's sitting on these key support levels, and we'll see kind of how that all plays out over the course of the coming 24 hours or so. But people currently 100% buying the dip. We've got a great opportunity to pick up some coins. This hasn't been as low as this since the FTX disaster. So very interesting news. But that's all I've got for you in this video. And if that's something you enjoyed and you want to stay up to date with what's going on in the cryptocurrency market, be sure to subscribe to the channel. We live stream every single night. So be here tonight. We're going to be breaking all of this down for you live on this Stupid Crypto channel as ever. Thank you so much. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.